back to my kitchen.
Yay!
You guys gave me slack for that. What's that thing was? Shrimp popcorns.
What about it?
They gave me slack for that. But you know what? Everybody's not always up on their game, okay? They looked a little dark. I even said it myself, but guess what? They tasted good, and you can make yours a little bit lighter. It was clean grease. I just don't know. It was just one of those days, and we all had one. But hey, and so we're back with a good video. Something sweet. And if you're trying to count calories, you're not eating this. Because you saw the good thumbnail, okay? So we're making apple fritters. My grandmother favorite. If anybody knows anything about the store called The Giant here in DC, my grandmother loved the bakery and she loved apple fritters.
Grandma Kitty.
Yeah, Grandma Kitty. That was my baby. As my mother went to, let me take that. As my mother went to Giant, she always got my grandmother an apple fritter. And they weren't small and teeny. They had the apple fritters like really, really big, like a clustered like. So that's what we're making today because it reminds me of my grandmother. So let's get started. Right here, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh my goodness, I forgot one thing. I'm about to get it. 4 tablespoons of, what's this stuff called? Sugar. And Brandon, if you can hand me my measuring spoons over there. You see them? Over there. Thrown up right there. No, measure spoon. Beneath the cake pan. By the pink plate. I need the cake pan by the pink plate. The spoons. Your hand right next to it. Your finger just touched it.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Lord Jesus. Guys.
Wow.
I almost forgot my 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We're going to be like, what's going on here? And 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So, we got 1 to 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoon. Ooh, God, don't put a tablespoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's my wet ingredients. That's my dry ingredients. My wet ingredients, you're gonna need 1 egg, 1/2 cup of milk. I use vitamin D or whole milk. The fattening, bring the food out. And you're gonna need some vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and right here, Brandon, you need your apples.
Oh.
Yes, I had 2 Honeycrisp apples cut up in nice sizes. You can make them small, you can make them big, how you want it. They're kind of like medium. And in this, I had 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted butter, guys. And also, I have in here, what else? 1 tablespoon of, what I got? White sugar. That's what I put in here. So I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I also have, some nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, all in here, and just let my apples saute. I want to get them soft. Now, some apple fritters, when people make them, they don't pre-cook them. You'll have that crunchy taste in your apple fritter. I like them pre-cooked. It makes it, with the flavor, and it softens the apples. You can use any apples you want. Granny Smith apples. I chose to use Honeycrisp. I chose to use 2. I'm going to let these go for like 10 minutes just to get them really soft, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Oh, I said we're back. I'm all over the place. Okay, let me show you guys my apples. Look at my apples.
I'm mad. I just laugh like that. I said,
So my apples is ready. I'm going to mix this up. Again, 1 1/2 cup of flour, all-purpose. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. I have my 1 egg right here. 1/2 cup of milk,
like
whole milk, and
is it a pie?
guys, that's all the vanilla I had. I don't like baking with this. But I wanted to make this video.
Is it a pie?
Now it's an apple fritter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I don't know what that is.
And I'm gonna shake it. Blend it all up or mix it all up. Add in my dry ingredient to this.
Oh, my, who's gonna record while I'm on vacation?
I don't know. He trying to be funny. He just wants y'all to know he's on vacation.
I'm going on vacation.
He going on a cruise.
I'm going on the cruise. Next week.
Ooh, this smells awesome.
Well, actually, no, this week, actually. Because this go up on Monday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll stop whisking with the whisk. I use a half a cup of this smells so good. Oh, I got my veggie oil on. About 2 inches. I'm saying it's about a cup and a half of veggie oil. You don't want it, I'll sink it in there. And guys, I'll go in there with my apples.
You put it in the oven?
No, it's right on top of the stove. Maybe I should use 3 apples. I'm gonna use 2. But that's okay. And yes, we're gonna make some glaze for this. And yes, I made homemade caramel sauce, people. I'm gonna put the link to my caramel cake so you guys can make your own.
Deep dish pizza coming soon, right, Mom?
Yeah, deep dish pizza coming soon.
Yeah.
Dad, Grandma.
She used to make it like this?
Grandma never made them. She was getting them from the Giants.
It was already made?
Already made.
Oh.
My grease is hot. My dough is thick. And I'm making, everybody wants some.
Not me.
I'm just going to try to make, I want to try to make them big because of my grandmother, but I'm just going to make a little dad.
Okay, you know what happened last time? You saw that grease hot?
It's hot.
I don't hear no noise. Like fried chicken. Like,
You can see the sizzle, right? My son said, I don't care how many you make. I want me 1. So I'm going to do 2 in my pan.
the Fufu would eat the whole McDonald's if he had it.
If you had them.
Yeah.
I know.
Come on there, I'm full, y'all.
And there's no perfect shake to them. We're just going to let them cook to that golden brown on the medium heat, and then we're going to flip them. And we'll be right back when it's time to flip them. Okay, guys, look what I did. I made them small, just because. Brandon, take a look at that one. I made them big. I had to let them cook too long to get done in the middle, so I went back to a drawing board, threw away the big ones. Sorry, Grandma. I don't know how they do them big in the store. But I made them small, and look at them. Cause they like donuts. They came out perfect, golden brown, cooked very well. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I got the good size of them. You can use like a spoonful, or this is what I used. I used my, I think this is my 1/4, and just did this like this.
Sign of Walking Dead come on tonight.
9 o'clock, and did them just like that. Too big, they gotta cook too long, they get too dark, and don't get too done in the middle. So I scrapped the bigness, and we going for a little teeniness. Yep. So that's what I did, guys. And we're gonna let these do what they do. And when we come back, these gonna be done, and we're gonna put this whole dessert together. Oh yes. Okay, guys, we back. Look at my apple fritters. They're done.
You was talking so fast, it just finally came on just now.
Okay, guys, we're back. Look at my apple fritters. Remember, let's make them small. I couldn't do the way the big guys do in the grocery store, but small is good. Now I have some powdered sugar, a small wild whisk, and a little bit of milk.
What's this?
The Glaze, little boy.
Glaze is milk and powder.
Or you use a little bit of water.
Wow.
It's okay, but it's lumpy, so I have to get these lumps out. Or guys, remember, because I didn't do it, you can sift your powdered sugar too. Oh my goodness. Why every time I'm making a video, that boy playing Fortnite? It's crazy. And that's all it is. Yeah. How much stuff you want on it is up to you. As far as the glaze. Should I flip them? Yeah, because I just love the sweetness. You don't have to flip them. But me being me, I'm flipping them. I keep turning, guys, because I'm trying to get all the lumps. And I made just enough glaze. Yeah, so make them small. You know, you say your eyes bigger than your stomach or something like that. Don't make them big the way I did. Okay, so let's put this thing together. I have my bowl. We don't even got the ice cream.
Yeah.
2 apple fritters. Let's get the ice cream. Let's pause this real quick. All right, guys, guess what? I got this ice cream, Turkey Hill. It don't have to be name brand, but it was at Aldi's, and I was shocked. It was under $4, yeah, like $3.40 something. Scoop your favorite ice cream, which I'm thinking it should always be some vanilla. This is a French vanilla with this.
Ooh, sacre bleu.
I'm gonna do 3 scoops. Brandon said,
I got that from Alva. I don't know why I do that so much.
I got all eyes, guys. Yes, remember, make them small. I'm trying to do them big.
I love donuts.
They like little donuts. I'm going to put the link to my homemade caramel sauce for my caramel cake. You guys can get that. And that's it, guys. My apple fritter recipe. There it is. The vanilla ice cream and everything. Let me move this to the side. I don't need to get this car like that up. But. Okay. Apple fritters. Hope you guys love them. Because remember, it is fall. It is October. And apples and pumpkins are in. So guys, so like this video. Remember, the link to the caramel sauce is going to be in the description below. Just got to get that. That's irritating me right there. Okay. I am out until next video, you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Popcorn shrimp. Seriously, Brandon?
Can I help you eat these?
Of course. Y'all can have me.
Can I have the whole thing?
No.
Okay.
Until my next videos, guys. I got to prove my...